Hello beautiful people, I know you are waiting for my next tech video, but I had to make this video because lots of you were asking me how I get this swag and what should I do to get this swag. So all of your questions will be answered in this video, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And can I get 1000 subscribers till the end of this month? Am I asking too much? I don't know. Let's see what will happen till the end of this month. So I got this mail from GitLab today because I contributed to GitLab. So if you're watching my channel from the beginning, you will know that I had mentioned in one of my videos that I had contributed to GitLab QA documentation back in May, and as it was my first merge request, so GitLab encouraged me to do this more often and do more contributions to their platform, and it's really good. Thank you GitLab for sending me this gift. I loved it. I just loved it, and it's my first swag ever. I have never got any swag from any company, so it's really precious to me. So thank you. And if you want to know how I made my first merge request and how you can find issues on GitLab, let me know in the comments. I'll make another video on that too. And remember, I don't promote any swags only, but I promote open source. So if you want to contribute to open source, just go for it. And if you're just doing it for swags, then I can't stop you, but I just can guide you to show you the right path. That's it. I can't do much, but go for the learnings, collaboration and sharing things. So let's unbox it, and I am pretty excited to unbox it, though I unboxed it earlier this day, but I'll pretend that it's my first time unboxing it, and I am really excited. Though I am really excited to open it again. So let's start. So are you guys ready to unbox it? Okay, this is open because I opened it earlier as I mentioned. So let's just pull it out, and this is my swag from GitLab, and can you guess what it is? I had already mentioned in my thumbnail, but guess it anyway. So I just open it, and we got this, and our real swag. So this is my swag from GitLab. Can you see it? This is a mug from GitLab, and it is mentioned here, my first MR merged. So it's really awesome, and it's really cool. I'll drink coffee in it soon. So this was my swag from GitLab, and if you want to know more about this, let me know in the comments. I'll make that video too, how you can make a merge request on GitLab. Just let me know. And till then, subscribe to my channel.